What's up, people? This is Neil from Grade Savers, and today we're doing question 43 from section 7.1. This is a definite integral from 0 to 3 of x times the root of x squared plus 1. And they would like for us to solve the integral using u substitution. So let's begin. We will let our u equal to x squared plus 1, which means our dx is equal to du over the derivative of x squared plus 1, which in our case will be 2x. So let's write that down. We can do our substitutions. X cannot be replaced by anything, so we will leave our x. And root x squared plus 1 becomes root u, and dx becomes du over 2x. And we see right away this x and this x cancel out. But before we begin, we should figure out what our boundaries here will be. Here our bounds were in terms of x, so from x equals 0 and from x equals 3. We need to convert these into boundaries of u. So how do we do that? Well, when x equals to 0, u is equal to 0 squared plus 1, which is equal to 1. And all we did was plug in our x value into this equation here. When x equals to 3, u is equal to 3 squared plus 1, which is equivalent to 10. So our new boundaries are from 1 to 10 and the rest of the integral. So let's simplify this. This becomes the integral of 1 to 10 root u over 2 du. And now to find the integral, if you want, you can convert this into an exponent. So u to the power of a half over 2. But most people already know that this is to the power of a half, so they could simply jump ahead to this next step, which is 1/2 u to the 1/2 plus 1, so 3 over 2, over 3 over 2. And I'm just going to make this a little bit clearer so we can tell this is an exponent here. It's u to the power of 1 over 2. And now back to this side of the equation, we need to evaluate this from 1 to 10. But before we evaluate, maybe we want to simplify this equation. So this becomes 1 over 2 times 2 over 3 u to the power of 3 over 2. And what happens here? It looks like this 2 and this 2 cancel out, so we are left with 1 over 3 from 1 to 10. So this is equivalent to 1 over 3 u to the power of 3 over 2 from 1 to 10. And now let's begin our substitutions to work our way to a final answer. This will become 1 over 3 times 10 to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1 over 3 times 1 to the power of 3 over 2. And this is equivalent to 1 over 3 10 to the 3 over 2 minus 1 over 3. And in order for us to match the answer at the back of the book, we should factor out the 1 over 3. So our final answer is 1 over 3 bracket 10 times 3 over 2 minus 1. And this answer will, it's the same one as the back of your book, but if you had gone up to here, you probably would have gotten perfect marks on your test. All right, take care. Hey, thanks for watching. Grab the PDF from below, and remember the best way to study is to join the Grade Savers review sessions.